One of the first personal computers was the Apple II Plus. I bought one in December 1979, a year and a half after its introduction. At the time I was a professor of chemical engineering at the University of Washington. I immediately saw the possibilities for interactive education, and I designed a computer program for teaching students how to figure out the flow rate of chemicals in a chemical plant when there was recycle of unreacted chemicals. My son Mark was in high school and he programmed it, finishing just before he graduated from high school. This video illustrates the program. I still have the Apple II Plus computer and it still works. The program was finished just a few months after the IBM PC came out in August 1981, before the Macintosh came out January 1984, and before Windows with a graphical user interface existed in the 1990s. The program draws on the screen, and a later program on the finite element method allowed the user to draw on the screen with a point-and-click mechanism. I never used these programs in my teaching because few students had an Apple II Plus computer in 1982, and the university did not have a computer lab at all. And in hindsight, they are okay but not great. However, they did feed my desire to enhance my teaching techniques, and computers played a role in all of my classes from that point on. In addition, my son went to college and became a computer programmer, which he still is. I'm preparing these videos as a salute to Apple Computer, Steve Jobs, and Steve Wozniak. Great job!
There are 6 lessons: a mixer, a reactor, a separator, and 3 processes. This is the mixer. This is the reactor. This is the separator. And this is one of the processes. Note we use a mixer, a reactor, and then a separator, but the reactor only reacts 40%, and that complicates the mass balances. We do 3 different processes, first with numbers and finally with algebra. So have fun.